Hi everyone, it's Cherie from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and today I'm bringing you a file from treasureboxdesigns.com called Baggy Buddy Ghost. So that first part that I had in my hand is the base. I did cut it out in white by American Crafts in textured. Now his eyes I cut out in smooth white. I'm going around it with a light gray finger dauber because my white was bleeding or blending into my other white and there was no definition. What I did though is I used temporary glue, meaning not permanent, so you can reposition it, remove it, rearrange it as many times as you want. And that is how I trace the eyes. If you look at the eyes right where the sides curve out, I tried to line that up with his cheeks. That way it kind of gave me a gauge on where I could put them for placement, but you can add eyebrows to him, a bow to her. I didn't do any of the extras because this is actually going to be for my neighbor's daughter who's 3. She's just the cutest kid ever and so sweet, but I think she'll get a kick out of this. I did cut out his eyes in the color Peapod by American Crafts. That darker greenish color up top is the color Jade, and that is also by American Crafts. The pink is Begonia by American Crafts. My orange in the title is the color Apricot by American Crafts. I imported it into Cricut Design Space at 10.115 of a width. It auto-adjusted my height to 12.555. It is going to be 5 inches tall by 4 inches wide, and that green banner up above is what I did the 4 inches wide by because of how wide my bags are. Here's that title I was telling you about. And it is cut out in black, the base, and the word just for and boo is going to be green. It's a base with a letter guide for you to glue the orange on top of or whatever color you choose. And for me, it's orange and pink because I liked the way it looked in the finished picture image that were given for each of the pieces. I liked her color theme, so I stuck with it. But your letters are all going to have the green base, and mine is in the color Jade. I just glued my orange and my pink on top of it, and I was showing you the back of the J is green, and it does give it a little bit of a raised effect, which I really liked. It's not just flat, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to pop it up some or not, but it's actually popped up just enough because there's 3 layers. So I bent my base in half and I used my bone folder to cause the little seam at the halfway point. That way it opens and closes smoothly. And I am not going to staple it. I actually used some glue dots that I got from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. All of my products are from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. It is so convenient and easy. I don't have to go to the store and pray that they have the color that I need or the texture or not textured. I can do everything online, continue crafting while waiting on my delivery, and they ship to me super fast. But so the head is going to get glued onto one side, and here I realized I had cut out 2 and I was gluing the wrong one because you want the curl in the head to go the same direction as the curl on the other side. After you glue your green strip or whatever color, your strips along the bottom, that's when you're going to glue your head onto the front and back. Now it's up to you if you want to do something on the back as far as customize it with a name or, I don't know, add some stickers or let the kids draw on it and write their own name. You can customize this to how you want it. The front's pretty cut and dry. After the eyes and the nose are on, then his little hearts on the cheeks go on and his mouth. And that's it for this. And here I'm just showing this is the finished product. You can pick and choose whichever bag, either staple it or, like me, use glue dots and just put it right over the front and the back, and it's really on there. But this is just a quick little easy spruce up your Halloween and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching and take care.